Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Icemaker assembly in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 5/16 and a 1/4-inch nut drivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new Icemaker assembly. The Icemaker assembly is located on the left side fresh food door inside the ice compartment. The main reason to replace the Icemaker is if it stops making ice or starts deteriorating, leaving particles inside the ice cubes. To get to the part, we need to open the left side door. Next, I'm going to pull on this lever, open the ice door so we can have an access to the Icemaker. Next step would be taking out this ice bin. I'm going to pull it up and then remove it. Next, I'm going to take out this single 1/4-inch screw and we're going to remove this cover box from underneath of the Icemaker. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver for that particular purpose. Now I'm going to remove this cover box. Be careful that there's a sensor attached to the inside of it, so I'm going to place it down. Next, I'm going to disconnect these two Icemaker plugs. I'm going to press these tabs on the sides, pull it apart. All right, and number two, we're going to use this 5/16-inch nut driver, and I'm going to take out this screw at the back underneath of the Icemaker, push in the arm so it wouldn't be on the way. There you go. Next, I'm going to slide the Icemaker up and out. This is the old Icemaker assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we're going to hang up this Icemaker. We have two cutouts here, and we've got these two tabs here, and these openings will be over these two tabs locking in. So we're going to turn it over and lift it up, bring it up, and slide it down. So as you can see, they locked. Next, I'm going to secure it at the bottom with the 5/16-inch screw. Press in the arm. Next, I'm going to connect these plugs. As you can see, we've got here 4 of them. And it's very hard to mix them around. Lock it in. And this one. Now we can install this cover box. Slides right in there underneath of the Icemaker, and I'm going to secure it with this 1/4-inch screw. Now I'm going to install this ice bin. I need you to watch this detail. So we've got the yoke here, and there's a yoke at the back. This is our dispenser motor, ice dispenser motor. So this yoke has to go this way so it would lock in. Make sure it's turned the right direction. And I'm going to lift it up, push it in, and make sure it's down. Now we're going to close the ice door and latch it. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.